Impact from below. This is not a submarine.
The war didn't come from above. It came from the ocean.
Carrier group holding position. All systems normal.
Contact below us, size unknown, is moving fast.
Something's rising! Brace for impact! We've been hit. Hull breach reported.
Open fire! All weapons, now!
Direct hits, no effect. It's not slowing down.
Structural integrity failing! We're losing control!
We can't launch! Deck is collapsing!
Abandon ship! Repeat! Abandon ship!
The most powerful ship ever built, dragged below the surface.